Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. In today's screencast, I have two topics, a new unseen gamma ray burst and gamma rays from microquasars. So let's begin with the first topic here. We'll go to Science Daily, as we often do. It says here, astronomers discover sonic boom from powerful unseen explosion. Summary. A team of astronomers has detected the sonic boom from an immensely powerful cosmic explosion, even though the explosion itself was totally unseen. The titanic eruption, known as a gamma ray burst, GRB, was generated by the collapse, so they say, of a massive star in a galaxy nearly 300 million light years from Earth. Let's see if there's anything else worth mentioning here. It says here, typically GRBs release a prodigious amount of energy, as much as the sun would release over 10 billion years. Amazing. That is really amazing. The blast generates two jets of gamma rays, which travel out from the collapsing star in opposite directions at nearly the speed of light. When these jets are pointed at Earth, astronomers see these focused outpourings of energy as intense flashes of gamma rays. But GRB jets are very narrow, and because the jets from this particular collapsing star weren't pointed at us, the GRB itself was completely undetectable. Okay, let's see. Anything else in here? It says, the discovery provides crucial new insight into the nature of GRBs and their jets. Given that GRBs are pointed in random directions relative to us, the fraction we see from Earth depends on how narrow or wide the jets are. Quote, by comparing the number of orphaned afterglows to those with GRBs preceding them, says Law, one of the investigators, we can measure that fraction much more precisely than before. Okay, well, let's go back. So no. This is not the collapse of a massive star in our sector of the universe. According to the reciprocal system, GRBs are, most likely, cosmic or inverse explosions. As Dewey B. Larson says on page 386 in The Universe of Motion, quote, a cosmic explosion releases a large amount of radiation in a very small space, just as an explosion of the material type releases a large amount of radiation in a very short time. Cosmic explosion could be that of an end-of-life cosmic galaxy, or possibly that of a large cosmic supernova. All right, topic 1 is finished. Let's go to topic 2, gamma rays from microquasars. Go back to Science Daily. It says here, a cosmic accelerator in the Milky Way could help explain more extreme events at the centers of distant galaxies. It's from the DOE Los Alamos National Lab. Summary, the first ever detection of highly energetic radiation from a microquasar has astrophysicists scrambling for new theories to explain the extreme particle acceleration. Microquasar is a black hole that gobbles up debris from a nearby companion star and blasts out powerful jets of material. Well, that's nonsense, of course. It says here, now the team has studied one of the most well-known microquasars, which is about 15,000 light years away. I mean, this is really nonsense, crackpot nonsense that these people believe. It says here, quasars are massive black holes that suck in material from the centers of galaxies rather than feeding on a single star. They actively emit radiation visible across the universe. Oh, so radiation can escape from a so-called black hole. But most are so far away that the majority of the detected quasars must have their jets aimed at Earth, making them easier to spot, like looking directly into a flashlight. In contrast, SS-433's jets are oriented away from Earth, which makes them more difficult to observe. Let's see. Here's one of the investigators says, the new findings improve our understanding of particle acceleration in jets of microquasars, which also sheds light on jet physics in much larger, more powerful extragalactic jets and quasars. Okay, let's go back. See what the truth is. The conventional theoreticians are baffled. Those of us who work with the reciprocal system are not. Obviously, fission of heavy elements in these objects are creating ongoing supernovae type 2 explosions, and these are producing the gamma rays. So that's what that's about. By the way, black holes consist of stars and particles moving at speeds between 1c and 2c. The velocity equation flips from s over t to t over s, so it's coordinate time divided by clock space. Outward in coordinate time is inward in coordinate space. So to us, it looks like black holes are just all, the material's all smushed together. But actually, the stars and particles are separated by large amounts of coordinate time in these supposed black holes, which we refer to as white dwarf cores. Okay, well, that wraps it up for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. For the simplest possible treatment, get my work, The Unmysterious Universe, has all the concepts, many diagrams, very clear. You can't find anything simpler on the system than The Unmysterious Universe. But if you do want all the mathematics, and I mean all the math, please obtain my work, Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. 711 pages in the PDF, 711 slides in the PowerPoint file. Thousands of equations, diagrams, figures, drawings, tables, everything you need will keep you busy for months. Then, once you get through that, you can obtain my 2 database modules, the Reciprocal System Microcosmos database and the Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database. We've drastically reduced the price for these 2 database modules. Now it's only $95. Super bargain, just amazing what you get for that. The Microcosmos database covers all the properties calculations for photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, and alloys, and both material and cosmic particles. The Macrocosmos database covers the properties of the astrophysical world, the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters and groups, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae and dust clouds and voids. Both modules have an excellent graphing capability included. And as usual, TransPower Corporation, which is my engineering company, provides free email support to all customers in good standing. Everything is sold at Amazon.com or TransPowerCorp.com. Okay, so again, please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. Thanks for your attention.